Hey there, content creators! If you are using video to grow online, this quick tip will help you save money on one of the best editing tools out there, InVideo. InVideo lets you create pro-quality videos simply in minutes, no editing experience needed. And yes, there is a way to get it cheaper than what you see on the homepage. Just use the referral link in the description. And few points for InVideo, because with InVideo you get 5,000 and even more ready to edit templates, drag and drop video editor, stock footage, music and effects, support for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and much more. It's perfect for ads, intros, reels and promos, anything you need to create fast and publish confidentially. And currently in the pricing section, you can see these prices. Let's wait for a second. Okay, you can see all these prices, but to grab your InVideo discount, just click the referral link below. It leads you to a special promo page with exclusive offers on monthly and yearly plans, sometimes even up to 50% off and more. No codes, no catch, just click and save.